In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Forms that are no longer accepting responses. Google Forms are an incredibly useful tool for collecting information, conducting surveys, and gathering feedback. However, there are times when they stop accepting responses, and this can be a real hiccup in your workflow. Whether you're a teacher running a class poll, a business owner collecting customer opinions, or simply a user managing a family RSVP list, understanding how to troubleshoot and resolve this issue is key to ensuring seamless data collection. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the troubleshooting process. First, you need to open up your Google form. So go ahead and head over to your Google Drive. Once you're there, locate the form that isn't accepting responses. This may take a little bit of searching, so don't worry if it's not immediately obvious. Once you find it, simply double-click on the form to open it. You should now see the form exactly as you designed it, ready for your review. Next, we need to check if your form is set to accept responses. To do this, look for the Settings button, which is usually represented by a gear icon. You're going to find this gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. It's hard to miss. Click on that icon to open the Settings menu. After the Settings menu is open, focus your attention on the Responses section of the menu. Here, you'll likely see a toggle option that says Accepting Responses. It's essential that this toggle is switched on. If the toggle is currently off, just click it to turn it on. This minor change could be all that's needed to allow your form to start accepting responses again. However, if toggling this option doesn't solve the problem, it's time to check for any limitations you might have inadvertently set up. Sometimes, there could be restrictions based on time or other conditions that you've configured in the form settings. So take a moment to verify these options and see if there's any customization that might be preventing further submissions. Additionally, it's a good idea to look at the permissions and access settings. You want to ensure that whoever you want to fill out the form has the right access. To do this, you'll need to click on the Send button at the top right, and then look for the option that allows you to manage who can access the form. Make sure your intended audience is allowed to view and submit the form. Now, if you've done all this and are still encountering issues, there's a possibility that there might be an error or bug on Google's side. In this case, I highly recommend checking Google's Workspace Status dashboard. This will let you see if there are any known outages affecting Google Forms. It's not uncommon for services to experience temporary issues, and this will give you insight into whether something beyond your control is going on. In summary, start by opening your Google form from Google Drive. Ensure that the option for accepting responses is enabled in the Settings menu, and take a moment to review any limitations or permission settings you may have configured. By following these steps, your form should be back up and running, enabling you to continue collecting those vital responses with minimal interruption. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm here to help you troubleshoot any issues you may have. Keep those responses rolling in, and I'll see you in the next video.